The pure horror build has been updated, so we now got version 2.4, and that version is currently available on the Debrid wizard. Mafia 666 Mafia, I don't see, he's still got the old version on there. I haven't checked Fun Wizard yet, but yeah, Debrid has got it. So if you guys want to update or upgrade to the latest one, use the downloader codes that you see at the beginning of the video in order to install this. So it's basically horror build, not just a horror theme build, but it is about horror from most of the different horror genres: zombie, vampire, slasher, Stephen King, B movies, alien invasion. I think this got some Japanese stuff as well. For proper fan of horror. What would you call Quiet Place? The Alien Invasion, you could probably call that, isn't it? It's still kind of like a horror, just like Alien, the original Alien, supposed to be. That's a known horror. Yeah, I'm a fan of horror films, but seriously, the other day I was looking, and the ones that I'm seeing, they got some bad reviews. So I'm like, I don't know, what to watch. I really don't know. Do I watch Scream 7? Do I watch one of the Yoda films? I don't know. So if you guys, recommend any good horror films, let us know. Yeah, there you go. All right then, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.